Welcome to 10 Facts for You. Today we're exploring our home in the universe, the Milky Way Galaxy. Fact number 1. The Milky Way is huge, about 100,000 light-years wide. Fact number 2. It contains up to 400 billion stars, maybe more. Fact number 3. It's constantly moving. We're orbiting the galaxy's center at over 800,000 km. Fact number 4. There's a supermassive black hole at the center called Sagittarius A. Fact number 5. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy with arms made of stars, dust, and gas. Fact number 6. It's not alone. Dozens of smaller galaxies orbit it, including the Magellanic Clouds. Fact number 7. We live in a quiet corner, the Orion arm between two bigger arms. Fact number 8. The Milky Way is merging. It's on a collision course with Andromeda in 4 billion years. Fact number 9. Most of its mass is invisible, made of mysterious dark matter. Fact number 10. When you look at the night sky, that glowing band of light, that's the Milky Way from the inside. Our galaxy is vast, ancient, and full of wonders, and we're just one small part of it. Subscribe for more calm, curious facts every day.